water is making like it's like it's a light coming on the face. So pretty. So pretty. So there was like a ton of people here. There was only like one place to park out by the gate, and yeah, I was down with people. I think this is where I'm gonna start sending my off faces out and go somewhere away from people. Can I borrow your phone for a second?
I'm recording
Over.
the beauty. Don't want like what you want my phone for anyways.
Tell me you were recording.
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine.
Tomorrow I'm sleeping in.
Okay. Tomorrow I'm getting up so I can be unproductive and read my book instead of Lewis. Probably don't have to go into work till 4. I don't know. I'm just going into work at 4 because I don't have a schedule. So, and if I don't get a schedule before Sunday, I'm off the whole week. I'll make my own schedule and go in as I please. Do what?
Tomorrow's Sunday.
I know tomorrow's Sunday. We don't have a schedule for Sunday.